Welcome back, Outdoors with Jim. Today I installed a radio on my CX2510 KIOTI cab model. There's a lot of confusion out there installing a radio in this model because most of the radio harnesses that you see on Amazon are for the CK model 16-point connector. This is a 2022 and it has a 12-point connector. A lot of these newer CX models have the 12-point connector. And to buy that through KIOTI, you have to buy the whole radio, which is about $300. So I went to Walmart, purchased this radio for $30, and it came with a harness. I also, the most important part, had to buy the harness to connect to the cab for the 12-point connectors. I had to go to Farm Radio Supply and buy that radio harness. It was $35 plus shipping. And once I got that harness, I just spliced all the wires together. What I do is remove this faceplate right here. 2 screws. So once you get this faceplate removed, this connector and the antenna connector will be zip tied up here. Just break that zip tie with a pair of pliers. Just be careful not to damage the cord. So this is the most important part on the CX model, CX2510, the newer model, cab models. It's a 12-point connector that comes stock versus the CK model is a different connector. It's a 16-point connector, which you'll find a lot on Amazon. They will not work. So I had to go and buy this connector from Farm Radio Supply. It was $35, and once you get it from them, my radio that I bought is also 12-point. So I had to splice everything from them because they give you a 16-point connector. Just splice. It's very easy to just connect the wires, color coded, and they'll send you a diagram as well. So once we have that, let's try it out and see if it works. So once I have the wires figured out here, go ahead and put your bracket in here, your radio bracket. Fits in there pretty snug. Get yourself a screwdriver. There's some tabs that you want to just bend up so it's, the radio will stay snug in there. Once you have that on, go ahead and put your faceplate over this. I'm going to screw mine back in. Once you have your faceplate in, go ahead and take the head of the radio, reconnect everything. Carefully work all the wires back up in there. Before you clip it in, let's turn it on. Perfect. She's working. Everything seems to be working pretty good. So I just want to recap everything with this radio. Bought this radio at Walmart, 12-point connection. I made a mistake and bought the KIOTI 16-point connection that you see on Amazon for the CK model. This is CX model. The only place I could find the 12-point connection for the CX2510 is Farm Radio Supply. It's $35. I'll leave the link in the description. Once I did get that, I did have to cut it and splice it to that 12-point connection that I got, so it would fit that radio. Hope this helped you out. If it does, hit the thumbs up. Appreciate it.